Hi, I'm Chloe with Lantern Farm. Every year we get asked how to light your tree so that it looks professional. So today I'm going to take you through those steps. So now I'm going to walk you through the process for lighting your tree. But before we get started, you want to make sure that you have a few things handy. First, make sure that you have a step stool or a step ladder, depending on the height of your tree. I like to make sure that I have bare feet so that I have good grip. And I also like to make sure that my tree is moved away from the wall so that I can easily get around it to put the lights on. And most importantly, you'll want to make sure that you have lights. I use 100 lights per foot for the tree. This tree is about 9 feet, so I'll be using 900 lights. I like to use these GE lights because you can string multiple strands together. I always turn my lights on when I start. This helps me make sure that all of the lights are working, and it helps me with placement as I put them on the tree. To start, we're going to begin at the very bottom, working our way up the interior of the tree until we reach the top, and then we're going to bring the lights back down using a loop method. The loop method is, for example, this is the branch of the tree, you're going to take your string of lights, loop it around, and then pass it through. So it's going to look something like that. If you have a Fraser fir like this tree or a noble, the branches have more support, so you can actually put your lights closer to the edge of the branch. However, if you have a tree maybe like a Nordmann or something with a little bit more silky feel to it, then you'll actually want to place the lights closer to the inside, because the weight of the lights will actually pull the branches down and the lights will slip a little bit. You don't want them to slip off. So now I'm ready to start lighting the tree. I've taken the lights off of the reel and wrapped them around my arm so that it's easier for me. And we're going to get going. So I have wrapped the interior of the tree with the lights. I reached the top and I still had quite a bit left over, so I brought the lights back down, keeping them just a little bit further away from the trunk of the tree to add a little bit more depth. So your tree should look like this. So now we have the interior of the tree lit. We are going to go back around with the loop method on the outside of the tree. So now we are done lighting the tree, and one of the benefits of the loop method is that it provides a safety line so that your heavier ornaments. I hope this video has been informative, and here is your final product.